Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Sam.
And this is Gwen. Back in March, we went with my parents up to Crufts to see the dogs in action.
While we were there, we entered a competition with K9 Jets for a return flight from London to New York. And somehow, we won.
Before we could even think about New York, we had to plan a journey, get our paperwork ready, pack our travel gear, and prepare for a first ever flight.
This is the story of that journey, all the way to New York with K9 Jets.
Before we jet off to the USA with Gwen, there are two really important documents required: the CDC dog import form and a fit to fly certificate from an official vet. After visiting past pets where they were super friendly, we had all the documentation required, and this dream really started to feel like a reality.
We told Gwen that she's going on holiday and that she needed to pack her suitcase, and her first port of call was her toy box to pick out which of her friends she'd be bringing along with her.
Will it be Alan, the avocado, Ducky, Sloth McGough? The list continues.
We grabbed a suitcase for Gwen to borrow and cleared the floor, ready for Gwen to present her chosen travel companions to us.
Once Gwen was done packing, she demanded a sweet treat from her favourite local pet shop. You ready for your holiday?
You ready? You want to go on holiday? Yeah? You want to go on holiday? It's going to be such a long day for you, my baby. Yeah, I know.
Go. Get up. Big speed.
Good girl.
Nice.
Look at
Look at it. Gwen?
What's the state of me? We walk around getting my fizzy pigtails.
What?
Want to try them first? Gwen, what's this?
Hello, Granny Grumbles, we're here.
You ready? She's like, no.
No, not at all. Where are we told to park?
Basically anywhere that's not reserved. Or reserved.
Or reserved. We had now arrived at the private terminal parking and were welcomed by the Signature Aviation staff and sent through to the waiting area ready for our shuttle to take us over to the K9 Jets lounge to board our flight. Gwen, where's Alan? Sam. Gwen.
Gwen made her way to the private lounge where she got to see all of the jets out on the runway. Little did she know that she would soon be boarding her very own one,
Gwen, sit.
ready to take her all the way to New York City.
What's that?
Good girl.
Gwen. Smile.
Good girlie. That's
It says all. What for all the fluff?
Gwen, what's this? Gwenny, look!
Bag.
Thank you so much. I know, she's like, I've seen that before, Mum. Stay. 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 Okay.
Big stretch.
Yeah, good girl.
Gwen? Gwen? Like absolutely buzzing. Gwen? What's this?
I'm just excited.
5 miles per hour.
I've got to take it off here. But I've been compensated. They haven't been. You're okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and he invited us there, like, obviously very bad there because with the future buying of the Testarossa.
Gwen?
She's a little jelly. You know,
I can test it for you first. You sure, Dad? She's like, okay, I help it to eating or not. Alright. So funny, but she is the worst still thing to me. Really? Yeah, she is savage. She is. Good girl. Oh, yes. Okay, that's made everything okay, isn't it? I think this is just why I should never, like, ever even consider having children, because I just be so nervous all the time.
After Gwen settled in for a snooze, Sam went ahead and did a private tour of the jet's bathroom for you all to see the wonderful goodies.
I missed you. I did. It's been so long, isn't it? It's been, what, 3 minutes?
Before we knew it, we were touching down in New York City and Gwen was ready to conquer her first bridge of the holiday.
How do you rate the Brooklyn Bridge?
Rate it 1 out of 10 because it's a bridge and it was wooden and I hate wooden bridges and I wish I hadn't come.